efficient, economical, ecological, EcoPad. And one company is doing it all. Continental Resources has adapted a unique approach to the development of the Bakken and Three Forks reservoirs in the North Dakota oil field that is efficient, economical, and ecological. The EcoPad concept uses a drilling rig that walks from one hole to the next on hydraulic feet. This allows the company to cut costs by working more efficiently while making its ecological impact much smaller. Normally, to drill 4 wells, 4 locations are built, each one about 4 acres in size. After the first well is drilled, the rig must be rigged down and hauled to the next location and rigged up again to drill the next well. Each rig move results in about 7 days of lost drilling time. Eco relates to less land disturbance because one multi-well pad is constructed instead of 4 individual locations, using the same road system, power lines, and product pipeline for all 4 wells. Eco also relates to saving money because only one pad is constructed and the rig doesn't have to be mobilized between wells.
Most of the cost savings involved simply in the cost of building the location to begin with. We just build 1 as opposed to 4. And if we can take 2 or 3 days off every well, the cost savings are significant.
Our individual wells cost just in excess of $6 million a piece. And so when you start thinking about 4 $6 million wells, you're talking $24, $25 million. And if you can save 10%, which is what we think is realistic, you're talking about $2.5 million of savings with each one of our EcoPads.
On the pad, the rig can move from one hole to the next in approximately 2 hours. Application of this technology is a big step forward because it reduces surface impact by as much as 75%, and it reduces drilling costs by up to 10%. The concept works by using a batch drilling process. In the batch process, all of the 4 surface holes are drilled first, followed by the 4 intermediate holes, and finally the 4 laterals. The batch process saves a significant amount of time and cost associated with swapping out mud systems and drill pipe for the 3 different hole sections. Further efficiencies are achieved by mobilizing equipment and services to location once instead of 4 times. At the end of the process, the rig has moved 9 times to drill 2 wells into the Bakken Formation and 2 wells into the Three Forks Formation. Because of the reduced setback, the EcoPad approach reduces well cost and allows for more horizontal lateral, generating higher initial productivity and reserves. Over the next 2 years, Continental Resources anticipates drilling up to 40 more 4-well EcoPads as the process is applied in additional areas. Economical, ecological, EcoPad, a new concept that makes it look like less drilling is going on, when in fact, much more really is.